Come on, come on, come on, come on. Shoot, 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 shoot. Come on, shoot, 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 shoot. Go ahead, go. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today it's a special day. Now we go to pick up the A5 from some place. We're driving a Yaris hybrid. That's my wife's car, and yeah, and after when I pick up the A5, we will go to WICKLOW at AIRSOFT. Today it's gun day. Something like that. It's first time for me. I was before. I don't know how it is over there. We have to meet with some friends. I think there are 4 with me and my brother. We are 6 all together. I think there are 2 team, 3 and 3, or I don't know. I don't know exactly what is there. Maybe I'm not sure. We'll see over there what happened. And yeah, it's should be nice. And I think it's good to record that. I don't know what happened. I don't know if I post that vlog, but if it's gonna be nice, I'll post, of course. And yeah, I give a few shots when I meet with that friends, and over there how I playing that game, and I don't know. We'll see over there. Yeah, stay tuned. Hey, good team. There you go. We're starting again from the castle. Should be fine. There you go. Over here are all the people. Say hello. Hello. Come on guys, come on. Shoot. Come on, shoot. Go ahead. Take the ball. No. We're just joking now. Come on. Let's go, let's start in. Let's start this. 1 second. Look at my face now. Oh my god. And I have the gun over here. And we're just starting now. Second round. Should be fine, yeah. Go ahead. I can't take a video now. Can't recording. Have to keep the gun. But anyway, it's so nice over here. Just that's it. See you later. Bye bye. Hello guys, we just finished here at that place, AIRSOFT place, and was awesome. Give them a try. That's only 40 euro, 50 for how much is that?
I don't know.
I think it's 40 euro, 50 euro or something like that. That's awesome. That's nice. And yeah, I hope to enjoy with that video, or if you have to take it some information of that, to visit that place. And yes guys, see you next time. And if you like that video, just press the button, like button. If you want to share with friends, just share with friends. Subscribe me for more videos. And yeah, that's it. Just see you next time. Peace.